Hi, it's Danielle with 4 Patriots, and I want to take a moment to tell you a little about our company, who we are, what we stand for, and why we're here. At 4 Patriots, we champion freedom and self-reliance. But what does that mean? It means our mission is to help all Americans, folks like you, help yourselves and your family and your neighbors too, so you and the people you care about are prepared and stay safe and protected in the event of a crisis. At 4 Patriots, we celebrate that can-do American spirit that makes a company like ours even possible. We've grown from a few folks sitting around a kitchen table with an idea to a team that stretches across the country, from our home base in Nashville and operations in Utah to employees all over this great land, from Florida to Wisconsin, Georgia to Idaho, North Carolina to Pennsylvania, Ohio to Virginia, and many points in between. We work hard to live up to our beliefs and strive to be a great place for great people to work. We look out for each other, and we have each other's backs, and we want to do the same thing for every one of our customers. We're proud to serve customers in all 50 states who come from all different backgrounds and walks of life, who have different beliefs and stories to tell, but share the goal of becoming more independent and self-reliant. We're humbled by the fact that our products have been there when our customers needed them most, in facing dangerous storms or protracted blackouts, roadside emergencies or water crises, or even finding new ways to enjoy a healthier life with less pain and more strength and energy, so everyone can keep doing the things they love. We've been able to create good jobs for our employees and work hand in hand with our customers to give back generously to those who serve. Which is why an important part of our mission is to support active duty military and veterans charities, because every one of us owes so much to their service and sacrifice. We call ourselves 4 Patriots, although we know that our nation isn't perfect and that many of our fellow Americans still face countless struggles and hardships every day. But we love our country because of what's possible here, because at the core, we know that American people are caring, hardworking, generous, and ready to look out for one another. Because to us, being a patriot means working to lift up our country to be a better place for everyone. Of course, we don't always agree on everything, either with our fellow Americans or with each other for that matter. And that's okay. But we believe in the future and promise of America. We believe in the servicemen and women who protect and serve it, the veterans who sacrificed to safeguard our freedoms. We believe, just as our founders did, that all people are created equal, that we have a right to an independent life of liberty, and that we're free to pursue what brings us happiness. Every one of us. And our hope is that our company's best days, like that of this great nation, are still to come. If you're already a customer, I want to thank you for your support and for helping us give back in the ways we do. And if you're not already a customer, I hope you take a moment to get to know us and what we have to offer. So, if the time comes, we can be there for you as well. Stay safe out there.